Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to you wherever you are in the world. Welcome to my channel. My name is Meg and I am a fully qualified yoga teacher. And today I am going to be teaching you a mandala inspired flow. So we're thinking like circle, beautiful, opening kind of flow. Today is my last day here in Lindos. And this is my last video in Lindos, so let's make this a really good one. I am so excited to share all of this holiday and this trip with you all. So yes, last flow, last video, let's do this. You don't really need anything to do this video. I always recommend working with a good quality mat onto a hard surface to support your joints and to stop mats from slipping underneath you and your hands slipping on the mat. My one is by Yogi Bear and it's their travel mat. It's my all-time favorite. This is not an ad. I'm just letting you guys know where mine is from. This has been tried and tested. I've had it for years and I use it literally every single day, every single class, like multiple times a day. Honestly, it really has stood the test of time and it's at least 3 years old now. So yes, it's definitely working well for me. Yeah, you can use blocks, you can use straps if you want, and when you're ready, we will get started. We're going to start in our down dog, and then we're going to go over to the right hand side to come into a side plank. We're picking up the top leg and stepping it up to the top of the mat. We're coming into an easy twist. Left hand comes in the inside of the right leg, gazing up towards the ceiling. Into triangle pose from here, right hand comes down. We're pivoting your left leg and bringing your left arm up into your triangle pose, gazing up towards the ceiling. We're then going to move into our goddess squat, bending into the knees, coming halfway down, tucking your tailbone under, squeezing the belly, and folding forwards into your wide leg fold. Relaxing here, maybe bringing the forearms down and towards the mat. We're then twisting over, back to the right hand side into your lunge, into your side plank again. Hand comes down into your down dog. Ready to do the same on the other side. So we're taking the right hand into the center and twisting over into your plank, rainbowing your hips up high, picking up the left leg, stepping it up to the top of the mat, into your easy twist. So we're twisting over towards the left hand side, left arm comes up, and then we're taking it down into the inside of the leg, straightening up the left leg, right arm comes up into your triangle. We'll come all the way up and bend into those knees, into your goddess squat. And then coming down into a wide leg fold. We're twisting back towards the left leg, into your lunge, and stepping back into your down dog. Take a second here to breathe and slowly bring the knees down. Thank you guys so much for flowing with me today. I really hope you enjoyed that video. It's a really nice opening video where you're challenging your balance a little bit there, working through transitions, working on leg muscles. Lovely, lovely flow. Yeah, this is it. The last video in Rhodes. Here we go. There we are. I really hope you have enjoyed watching all of these videos. Please like and please subscribe. It honestly means so much to me when you guys hit the subscribe button or you watch, you comment, like, whatever you can do. The more support I have on this channel, the more I can bring you guys free yoga content. So thank you so much for joining me on this journey and I look forward to practicing with you when I get home. Thanks. Bye.